Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to get a new ATM card after blocking in 2025. If you've ever had your ATM card blocked due to suspicious activity, multiple wrong PIN entries, or even security measures, don't worry, it's a common issue, and we're here to guide you through the process step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to get back on track with your finances. Let's jump right in. First things first, you need to contact your bank as soon as possible. In 2025, most banks have upgraded their systems for faster responses, so use their mobile app, website chat, or call their 24/7 customer service line. Make sure you have your account details handy to speed things up. Once you're connected, clearly explain that your card has been blocked and you're requesting a replacement. They'll likely ask for verification, like your full name, date of birth, and perhaps a security question, so be prepared. Next, provide the reason for the block if you know it. This helps the bank process your request efficiently. Now, for the exciting part: requesting your new card. In 2025, many banks offer options like instant digital cards for online use or physical cards delivered via drone or express mail. Choose what's most convenient for you and confirm any fees involved. After your request is approved, you'll need to wait for your new card. Delivery times can range from a few hours for digital options to a couple of days for physical ones, thanks to advanced logistics. Once it arrives, activate it right away through the bank's app, a quick call, or at an ATM. Don't forget to update any automatic payments or linked services to your new card details. A few quick tips to avoid future blocks: always safeguard your PIN, monitor your account for unusual activity, and enable biometric security if available. There you have it. That's how you get a new ATM card in 2025. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.